What's up, YouTube stars? Hey, it's Katina Willis. I got a great one for you today. It is about working from home as a government contractor. Okay, government contractors provide products and services to the United States government. All right, I'm going to show you how to do it on the federal level because let me just tell you, when I first started, I started on the local level, and for me, my experience, it was night and day. Okay, the local level, they move a little bit slower. They're not as responsive. But when I started on the federal level, that's when I knew this was my new thing, right? That's when I knew this was my path, right? So let me just show you real quick. I am in the process of finalizing a blog article, right? Y'all know I love to blog about whatever my passions are at the moment. So now my title might change a little bit. I'm not sure yet, but it'll be live around the same time as this video goes live. But so how to win government contracts from home. I give my background, my experience. I talk about how to register your business, how to, I tell you how to identify opportunities, how to identify and leverage set-asides and certifications. Now, let me just tell you, I am by far no means claiming to be an expert, but what I want to do is share my experience and my journey with you as I do this. So I got awarded my first contract last month, and then guess what? A week after that, I was awarded a $4 million contract. And so I wanted to fall out my chair, y'all, but it's crazy. But they told me once you get the first, the rest is going to happen really, really fast. And that's been my experience. So I'm just sharing this amazing opportunity with you and sharing my journey because I wish somebody had told me sooner. Right? So, but yeah, it's going to talk about building relationships. It's going to talk about monitoring your contract and your performance. And I got to add some more photos, some more images to this, but it's going to be all great. So now, drop a 1 in the comments if you are ready for me to show you how you can get started right now today becoming a federal government contractor. Drop a 1 in the chat, y'all. Drop a 1 in the chat. Okay, so, and you know what, leave me any comments too, because I respond to each and every one. And before I show you these opportunities, if this is your first time on my channel, be sure to subscribe, right? It costs you nothing to subscribe. You basically just click on underneath my video, and then, basically like when you're watching the video, y'all know how to subscribe. Actually, as you can see right here in the corner of any video you're watching, it's going to be a subscribe button. But if it's your first time here, click subscribe. If it's not your first time here, welcome back. All right. Now, let me show y'all how you can get started right now today and become a federal government contractor. What you want to do is you go to this website. It's called SAM.gov. Okay, now you don't have to sign in, you don't have to register, you don't have to do anything to search. So say you want to search right now. If you want to search right now, let me make sure my microphone is right. I don't think it's pointing toward me. Okay, so if you want to search right now, say you want to search for what's popular, y'all. Say you want to search for cleaning. Right? Then go right here to the search bar and type cleaning and click search. As you can see, there's 1,043 results. So there's a lot of different levels and dimensions of cleaning, right? So right here it says cleaning service. Right here it says pest control maintenance. Right here is an opportunity for a washer extractor. Right here is an opportunity for custodial and related services. Actually, this is a award notice. An award notice means someone already won the opportunity. So when the opportunity is still open, you will see response date. It'll show you a response date. Okay. So, all right, there's so many opportunities. I'm going to tell y'all too, I stuck with this. I like I said, I started my journey as going local, but it was moving a little slow. But as soon as I started the journey with federal, they were so responsive. And you know, at first, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit intimidated when, you know, just the idea of working with the federal government, I was a little intimidated. So I just, you know, was slow to apply for the opportunities, or I didn't want to get it wrong. But as time went and as I just tried, right? All you got to do is try. Once I just tried and I saw how kind and professional and responsive they were, it just motivated me to keep going. Check this one out. Here's a washing machine laundry service, right? And again, this opportunity is due today. This one is due today. This is the date of the recording of this video. So, carpet cleaning service, the list goes on and on. So say you are a bookkeeper, or you know what, say you're a loan signing agent. Let's type loan signing. No. What we're going to do, let's type courier services, because courier services seems to be really popular. So let's type, I can't spell courier, y'all. So I typed courier and 125 popped up. So, laboratory courier. Here's a mobile robot courier. Here's a, here's one, courier services in in York, Pennsylvania. So let me just say this too. If you are not, this is the beauty about federal government contracts, y'all. If you are in Texas, and you see an opportunity in Pennsylvania, you can simply go on Google. Let me show you that right now. You can simply go on Google and type courier services, York, Pennsylvania, York, PA, right? You go on here, you search for someone, and then you call them. You know, you just look for who's offering these services. You give them a call and you have a conversation with them about this opportunity. So basically you become the person providing an opportunity to someone. So this is my new thing, y'all. Drop a like or a firebomb in the comment section if you think this right here is like some amazing information. Because I'm gonna tell you, when this economy started getting so shaky, I was like, you know what? I should have paid attention to that government contracting opportunity that I learned about in 2022. So I just got back on the ball, started taking it more seriously, and just started putting in the work. I, made a decision to not be afraid and to just do it. So just fail forward. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Drop any comments or questions you got about this, because I do respond to each and every one. So that's it for today, y'all. Oh, and I always have a bonus. So here's the bonus. My first opportunity was to rent some print copiers to the Army. Okay, so I'm located in Michigan, and the copiers needed to be in Colorado. So like I just showed you, I simply found a company to do the job. So that's it. That's all I have. Drop any questions you got. I am Katina Willis. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.